Hi guys, Chris Lamm, mortgage banker, Redding, California. This is the monthly market update for October. A couple topics we wanted to talk about this month. We wanted to kind of give a state of the market in terms of what the mortgage market is looking like heading into the holidays. A couple big changes we wanted to note is that Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, who are the entities that basically govern and write the rules for mortgage lenders nationwide, have come out with some announcements in the last 60 days and heading into the holidays that they're really loosening up a couple of the key guidelines when qualifying for a mortgage. Now, I'm not going to go into those details, but what I want to say is that I think it's really exciting as an industry that we're seeing that they're starting to have a little bit more of a make sense approach for borrowers that are trying to qualify for a mortgage. Now, if you've purchased a house or done any type of financing in the last 5 to 7 years, you probably noticed some of the rules and the paperwork requirements at times can seem a little bit overwhelming. And although to a large part that's not going to change, we are seeing that some of the changes that are coming out are some really big steps in the right direction. And what I think is that Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, they're looking back over the last 7 years and they're seeing that the mortgages written since the mortgage meltdown have been some of the best performing mortgages in the history of our nation. So hopefully we'll see a lot more of that to come. But yeah, in the future, we've got some really cool announcements coming up that are going to make the qualifying process much easier for clients, and I, for one, am very excited about that. The second announcement, the last thing I want to touch on is, as an office, we're doing a really cool fundraiser at the end of this month. October 24th, I'll show you the flyer here. If you're a client and you're watching this, you probably have gotten a mailer this month in October. You should be getting it anytime. And for anyone else watching this, if you haven't heard about it, feel free to call our office or email us. We'd love to tell you about it. But some of the girls in the office here took it upon themselves, I can't take credit for it, to create a fundraiser for the Catalyst Youth Center here in Redding, right down the street. And if you don't know anything about the Catalyst, or if you haven't heard about it, it's a phenomenal youth center for the youth of our city. And I encourage you to really take a look at it. Go down to the Stirring, you can call them and they can get you a tour and you can check it out. But as far as our events go, we have the annual Halloween Spooktacular, and it's going to be on October 24th at 5 to 9. We've really spent a lot of money. We've got a lot of people coming to volunteer and help, and it's going to be a very cool event. It's $5 to $7. It'll $5 if you buy a ticket before, and it's $7 at the door. And we really encourage you to RSVP if this is something you'd like to come to. It's a family-friendly event. We're going to have all kinds of different things, and the office is not going to look the same. That's all I can say right now. But if you want any more information on that, we encourage you to give the office a call. You can reply to the email that this video was sent to you in. Or if you have any other questions related to mortgage financing or anything real estate related, you can call me anytime. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great week.